Hello, I'm a California corporate lawyer behind the Tariff Cost-Sharing Addendum Generator, and I want to talk about it, explain how it works. The issue, of course, is that most pre-2025 agreements do not adequately address drastic tariff increases. To fix that, you're going to have to renegotiate and sign some kind of a addendum. And how you do it is straightforward, just like all the other generators that I have out there. You enter the name of the agreement, it updates in yellow as you type in. The original agreement date, look it up and enter it here. This is not the date of the addendum. The effective date of the addendum is likely today, and moving on, there are different cost allocation methods. You can have it as a percentage split, where the manufacturing company pays a certain percentage and the supplier pays whatever other percentage to add up to 100%. The system here does it automatically for you. You can choose a threshold-based method, in which case the manufacturing party will bear the tariff cost up to that threshold, whatever you enter it to be, and the supplier will handle any tariff costs exceeding the threshold. Price renegotiation. If tariffs increase by more than a certain percentage that you enter right here, the parties agree to renegotiate in good faith the pricing for the affected products within 15 business or 15 days of such increases. So, notification period you enter right here. It gets populated in section 2.2. Documentation required. Normally you would want the customs docs, the invoices, those are pre-selected, payment received, detailing invoices. Certification you can add, it is not added by default. Signed certification of tariff amount for supporting claim for cost sharing. And duration of the addendum, you can make it less, same as the original agreement. You can choose a number of years from the effective date of the addendum that this will be in effect. And after you copy it, it's done. Alright, this is what it looks like when it's done. Let me know if you need any help. Email me, or better yet, schedule a consultation. See you soon.